Alright, so in this video we are basically just gonna set up Mailtrap. I know I said we were gonna do the mailing and all of that this video, but I realized we also need to set up Mailtrap, and just to be sure that everyone gets this correctly done and that there's no misunderstanding, I thought it would be a good idea to split this up to a shorter video. So you create a user in here, and then we can go ahead and delete this box here. You create a new inbox, give it a name. We can just call this test in this scenario. Go into the settings here, and then we basically go with a username and a password. So inside our .env file here, we actually have the Mailtrap as default because this is a testing environment, and because of that it will already set all of it up. Now the only thing we need to change in here will be to set this to TLS, and that's pretty much it. So what would then happen is we would in here be able to see the send emails to other accounts, and then be able to just test that the email is sent and be able to see how the email would look like. Now Mailtrap is free, but you can see here that you would have to, for example, have a maximum of how many emails you can test with and how many projects you can have and so on if you pay for a high price. But you can choose and go with one mailbox and less messages, but it depends on how much testing you need to do. So that's actually all for this video. So in the next video we are gonna send the mails and test the functions we have created since then. Now I want to mention one thing before, is if you're already doing the mail thing now and have just changed the configuration file and you're running PHP artisan serve, please close down PHP artisan serve and then reopen it. The reason why is because otherwise the configuration file here won't load. So basically you just need to close this terminal here if you want PHP artisan serve. And that's actually all for this video. So hit the like button if you haven't already, click subscribe to keep posted with the videos, and see you in the next video. If you haven't already, please join my Discord channel where you can chat with me or get feedback on your code, and you can find the link in the description or in the picture there if you prefer to type it yourself.